Welcome to How to Use Group Advanced Features in PBIS Rewards. To start, we will go to the Groups page from the left-hand side menu and enter a group that you'll be working with. For today, we're going to enter first period. At the top, you can see a variety of different options available to you from this page. For example, we can click on a student and directly submit a referral if your school has this add-on feature purchased. You can also view or submit SEL checks from here. If a student's parent or guardian has access to their PBS Rewards family app, you will be able to send messages individually or to the entire class. If students need access to their PBS Rewards student portal, we can generate an authorization code right from the group. You will need to click the Auth button, which will allow you to generate a group or individual code. For example, if I need to generate an authorization code for Simon Bell, I'll click on the student card, then click Auth, individual code, select the time to activate, and then click Generate. You can print or share this code with the student to allow them to access their PBS Rewards student portal. Let's review the menu options available on the group page. The menu icon allows you to make purchases for students, redeem items students have purchased, manage events and raffles, or create new store items, events, and raffles. Everything you need for rewards management is in one place here. The absent present feature lets you update attendance for your group. Select the icon to view your roster and mark students absent or return them to present. Students marked absent won't be included when you use the Select All Students button now. Lastly, if your school has purchased Hall Pass, you'll be able to set students on a Hall Pass directly from the group. We will go ahead and put a student on a Hall Pass. And once they're set on a Hall Pass, you can click on that student to see how much time has elapsed. Once they return, you will click Back to Present to remove them from the Hall Pass. Thank you for watching this video on how to use advanced group features. If you need any additional help or have questions, please contact us at tech@navigate360.com. We will see you in the next video.